Established on the west coast of Norway, Jets develops vacuum systems that save water, reduce energy use, and protect the planet's resources, wherever they're installed. The patented Vacuumarator pump is the heart of our systems. All our solutions are based on the same vacuum principle and are used across a wide range of markets around the world. Our greatest strength isn't just in the technology, it's in the dedicated people behind it. Individuals who care deeply about what they deliver. It's their knowledge, creativity, and commitment that drive innovation forward. Their responsiveness ensures our customers get the support they need when they need it. By valuing differences, building trust, and working together, we create solutions that scale across industries and continents. Developed in Norway, trusted everywhere.